What we're going to show you today are a couple quick tips on how you can protect yourself in the event of the next market downturn.
Right.
Tip number one is make sure that you're not taking too much risk. Okay, this is something we see all the time. And just last week we had someone come in once again, top of the statement, aggressive growth. Okay, that is not appropriate for just about any retired investor or someone nearing retirement. It's particularly inappropriate in markets that are as high as they are today. Okay?
That's right, Alex. I just want to mention this as well. You've already mentioned it in the aggressive statement, but many people come to us and their statement says, well, you know, my advisor has put me in all blue chip stocks. These are all very conservative stocks. That does not mean that you have a conservative portfolio.
Yeah, a portfolio that is all stocks or primarily stocks is by definition an aggressive portfolio. Okay, and as you saw again, 2007 to 2009, from peak to trough, the S&P 500, which is those blue chips, if you will, that went down what, 59%? Okay, $1 million turned into $410,000. You don't want to see that on your statement.
No.
So have a good balance of stocks, bonds, international, large companies, small companies. Make sure that you've got good diversification, not just in one sector, not just in stocks, but all across the board, and your performance will be much more level and less volatile.
And most importantly, not now after the volatility, but before.
You know, as we always say, it's too late to put on the parachute after you've jumped out of the plane. So the market can go down at any time. You need to be prepared beforehand.
Right. All right, so the second tip is make sure that if the market goes down, you're not just selling at the wrong time, right? Buy low, sell high. That's the strategy.
Absolutely. And you see, you know, particularly in the last few days, you see the velocity traders really jumping on and pushing the market down in the last hour or two of trading. So you see the market chugging along, suddenly it starts to trend down in the last hour. And then that just accelerates and it falls off a cliff. Okay? That creates a lot of fear. That's caused by velocity traders, and they want you to feel that fear. They want you to jump off that cliff. They want you to sell. Okay, once you sell, what do? They watch it fall a little further, then they buy. Who do you want to be? Do you want to be the sheep driven off the cliff, or do you want to be the wolves picking up the remains?
Right.
Okay, so we want to make sure that when you see the market going down, if you're in a properly balanced portfolio, you've got money that you can use to buy.
Right.
Okay. Again, market goes down. The number one question we get from people is, when are you going to sell? And the answer is, we're not. We're going to buy. Okay. If it goes down further, we're going to buy more. Okay. Because we're properly balanced going into this thing, and you need to be too. So again, market goes up, it's time to sell. Market goes down, it's time to buy. Everybody knows that, but you have to act on it.
That's right.
You know, there's two things you need to remember. You need to remember to be prepared before the market goes down, and then when the market's going down, that's your opportunity to pick up some bargains. Okay? And then when it goes back up, make sure that you're properly balanced again.
Right.
Okay? So if you have any concerns about the way your portfolio is balanced or how it's been reacting during this market volatility, you need to do something. You can't just sit there and bury your head in the sand and hope it goes away. Okay? So you need to do something about it. We are offering free consultations. If you want to click on the link below, come in. It never hurts to get a second opinion. If you just want to see more free resources, just log into our website, check out all the other videos and blog posts, as well as the ebook that we have there. A lot of that information can help you weather these difficult times. Thanks for watching. Till next time, this is Robin and Alex with Ironman Financial.